Well, hey guys, what's going on? It's Outland. Today I'm doing a different kind of adventure. I'm actually doing a bike packing adventure. First one with my new SmallRig, which I'll talk about. But I'm up here in Akron, Ohio. I'm at the the Ohio to Erie Trail. I'm actually on the Towpath Trail. And my plan was tonight to camp at Sand Run Metro Park. It's one of the few places you can actually camp along here, which is kind of sad. Camping is really sparse for such a long trail. And my goal is to camp at Sand Run, and then tomorrow I was going to get up early, ride about 20 miles north, go up through Cuyahoga Valley National Park. We'll see what happens, because as of right now it's supposed to be a ton of rain. If it's going to rain and storm all day, I'm probably going to scrap the trip. But right now it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, 81 degrees, something like that, sunny, nice. So I'm just enjoying the ride and the nature. It's pretty nice. Whew, lots of cottonwood out today. It's my biggest enemy. Stuff sucks. Makes me sneeze and my throat itch. I hate cottonwood. But it's all part of spring in Ohio. Oh, this isn't the... Okay, well, I finally found the Metro Parks camping area here at Sand Run, Big Bend. All these Metro Parks, there's so many Metro Parks here in the Summit area, the Summit Metro Parks, and they have so many different names. It's kind of confusing. So once I finally figured out where the heck I was, and I actually found the sign that says camping, and there's a check-in registry you have to fill out. But you have to go up this real steep embankment. Down there's a pond. But you come up the embankment and there's all these spots up here where you could either do a tent or a hammock. I got a hammock with me, so I was a little worried because I was like, oh, there's no trees, I'm going home. But yeah, there's quite a few places I think I can hang here. So this is nice, this is pretty. It's really early in the day, but I want to make sure that it's really early in the day, but I want to make sure that I have a spot. So I'm probably just going to, I don't know, set up camp and chill out the rest of the afternoon. Well, the cool thing is, if the weather gets too bad, my car is literally right down there. I can literally overlook the parking lot from here. It's kind of nice. But I think I found a couple of good trees. I think I'm going to do this one over to this one here. And I'm just kind of on the edge of this big mound, big hill. It's pretty. Or I could even go there to there. But I think I like this. We'll see how this works. All right. So I'm kind of thinking, it's only 1:15. That's early. That is super early to be setting up camp right now. Really don't want to do it yet. There's nobody else here, but who knows? Like I said, it's Memorial Day weekend. This place could completely fill. Who knows? What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna put my name on the registry and probably come back. I think I'm gonna go ride down a little bit, check out some more of the trail, and then come back here. And if there's no spots, fine. If there are, fine. I'm kind of either way. I'd like to camp tonight, but meh. But the whole point of why I came here was to ride. So, and if tomorrow's a complete washout, then I'll be kind of sad. Heron over there, I think. Inside an old lock. There's locks all along the towpath. It's just really, really cool. And you can even go above it. Really neat. That's cool. All right, guys, we made it back to Sand Run. Got up here, found a good camping spot tonight. So I got the hammock set up, nice and deployed, ready to go. It's beautiful right now. I heard it's raining back home, so I don't know if the rain is coming, but it's supposed to be coming. So probably gonna call it a day tomorrow. We'll see. But I did 30 some miles today, so I feel good. The bike felt great. Even with all the weight on it, it felt really good. My legs didn't really start hurting until about like mile 25 or so. I started feeling it. But yeah, got back here and good to go. Got a nice spot and it's pretty. Bugs are biting me like crazy though, and I forgot to bring bug spray, but that's okay. We'll cook up some dinner here in a little bit and just kind of chill out and just have a good night in the hammock. It's gonna be great, I think. It's very pretty here, really nice. So I'll do a full breakdown on the bike setup in a more detailed video, but just to show you guys real quick when I'm running here, this is the Surly Bridge Club that I built for about the past 8 months. I've been building this thing. It's been crazy. But yeah, got it all built. It's working great. It rides like a dream. Steel really is wonderful, wonderful bike material. Still working on the bag situation, so I've got a mishmash of expensive and cheap bags on this thing. So right now I've got I got a Swift Industries Moxie top 2 bag, just picked that up recently. And I also got a Surly, I don't know what these are called, bottle bag, something bag. So I got, those are nice bags. And then I just recently picked up this Revelate Polecat waterproof fork bag for my fork. I'm probably gonna get another one of those because I really like the fork. It's kind of small, but it's a pretty nice bag. Then my old Moose Tracks bag that I had from Amazon on my old bike, it still works. It actually fits this frame fairly decent. It's a little big, it's okay. And then the Rock Bros seat bag that I have. It's a pretty nice bag actually for Rock Bros. You know, they're just a Amazon brand, but actually it's a pretty nice little bag. It seems to be holding up okay, and it's got a good capacity. It's got 14 liters of capacity, so holds quite a bit. But yeah, got some more stuff I need to invest in, but do that over time. Down there I got a steel bottle full of water, and then I have over here I have another Nalgene, and then these cargo cages are actually ones that I 3D printed on my Creality Ender. This is PET G material. It's a little bit stronger than the typical PLA. It's supposed to be pretty strong. So far they're just working great. So very nice 3D printed cage. I have 2 of those, one on each side. I'll probably do another one down here, smaller one, so I can mount more stuff on the down tube. But yeah, bike is great. It's working great, running great, smooth shifting, feels good. This area is really pretty. It's a really neat campsite. It's like up on top of this huge mound that you have to hike up to. It's not hard at all though. But and then down the hill from that is this big huge pond. So on this side, of course you can't see that, but behind me, that is the bike path down there, and it comes in to this park over here. And then in front of me there is a really cool pond. I don't know if it's natural or man-made, but it's really cool. And I walked down there and there was deer and these